In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online event on Eventbrite in minutes. By the end, you'll have a brand new event set up and ready to share with your audience. First, open your web browser and go to the Eventbrite website. This is where everything happens. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access the event creation tools. Starting from the home page, look toward the top of the screen for the Create button. Click that and then choose Event. This takes you straight into the setup flow for a new event. You'll be given an option to create from scratch or use AI to help you get started. Creating from scratch is great if you already know exactly what you want. Using AI can speed things up by generating a simple framework you can tweak. Either choice works. Pick the one that matches your comfort level. Next, enter the essential details. Start with the event title. Make it clear and descriptive so attendees immediately understand what the event is about. Then set your date, along with the start and end times. Double-check your time zone so guests receive accurate reminders and don't miss the live session. If you're still finalizing the exact timing, choose the best estimate for now. You can update it later before publishing. For location, select Online Event. This tells Eventbrite not to expect a physical venue and prepares your event to host virtual access details like a live stream link or webinar platform. Even if you haven't picked a platform yet, choosing Online Event now keeps everything organized and signals to attendees that they'll join remotely. Once those basics are in, click Create. Eventbrite will generate your new event and take you into the editor. That means you're officially done with the initial setup. From here, you can preview your event page, and when you're ready later, you can add more details like a description, images, tickets, and access instructions. None of that is required for this initial creation step, but it's helpful to know where you'll land. A quick tip, keep your title short and searchable, use the correct time zone, and make sure the date doesn't clash with other commitments your audience might have. If you plan to host across multiple regions, consider noting the time zone in the title or description later. That's it, your online event is created. You're now set up with the foundation you need to continue customizing and when ready, publish and start promoting.